Welcome back to the shop, folks. And it's chainsaw season. Every young man's heart turns to a chainsaw when fall comes. Except this guy's. I don't like a chainsaw. But we got one here. We're gonna take a look at it. Willie's supposed to be in here to help me out with it. He called this morning, said he ain't gonna come in. Said he got scared last night. Locked all his doors. So can't get out now. Well, we're gonna go on and take a look. The fella brought this in. Said the chain wasn't oiling well for him. I thought we was gonna put a pump in it. Turned out a lot simpler, and it's probably the same for a lot of y'all. Let's check the simple stuff first. So let's check the simple stuff. First thing we want to do, go on and get this cover off. Get that bar off there. Old Husqvarna 13mm. Pull both of them off. If you ain't got one, grab you a 1/2 inch. That'll take it too. Once you get that cover off, probably want to clean it up. You see, I've been scraping on that one. It was cake full. Go ahead and clean up your adjuster screw too. Once you take that off, you're going to check that port right there. Clean it out. A lot of times, sawdust and oil get packed in here. This is where the saw is going to oil from. Usually what I'll do, take this off, clean this out, crank the saw. But don't rev it up, just crank it. You don't want to rev it up without that housing on this clutch. We'll try and bust it off and see if we can get a little shot of it oil in there. Man, you can see that oil coming out of there. That saw's not having an oiling issue. What I found, with these ports right here, little oiling ports on the bar, they were clogged up. Took my little pick, cleaned it out. And then I always take a little something aerosol, WD-40 works fine, and just kind of squirt it through there till it comes out. Got one on both sides because you know you can reverse the bar. I find me a thin blade, it's an old saw blade, and then clean the bar. Scrape all the trash, all them wood trimmings out of it, all the way down the end. Put it all back together. That solved his oiling issue. Folks, that wraps this one up. Pretty short, sweet, to the point, I hope. Hope it helps you out. Check it first. It's easy to correct. You can do it. If you found this informative in any way, think it helps you out, how about one of them thumbs up? Lord knows one of them subscribes ain't gonna hurt. Meanwhile, I guess I'll take this old saw and get my shop Willie out of the house. We'll see y'all next time.